Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about easy, healthy meals for busy people that don't need to be cooked. Hello friends! Today I want to talk about a big problem. Life is very busy. We have work, family, and many other things. Because of this, it is hard to cook healthy food. Let me tell you about my life. I was overjoyed when I got my first job. But soon, I got very busy. I came home tired and hungry every day. I detested cooking, so I ate fast food, burgers, pizza, chips. At first it was fun, but after a few weeks I started to feel very tired. I put on weight. It looked bad on me. I was always sleepy. I understood. My body needed healthy food, not junk food. Many busy people have the same problem. No time to cook, no energy, no healthy food nearby. Then we eat junk food, and we feel bad. But don't worry, today I will show you a very easy idea. It's called no-cook meal prep. No-cook meal prep is making healthy meals without cooking. No stove, no oven, no fire, just mixing fresh food together. Easy. Why it is good, it reduces your time, saves your money, you eat fresh food, and you feel strong and happy. And guess what? You can make 3 to 4 meals in just 30 minutes. Healthy food that is ready to eat is waiting for you when you open your fridge. It feels amazing. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Pick healthy foods. Buy foods that are easy to prepare and healthy. Vegetables like salad leaves, tomatoes, cucumbers, and carrots. Fruits such as bananas, apples, berries, and mangoes. Grains like cooked quinoa and rice. Proteins including boiled eggs, grilled chicken, chickpeas, and tuna. Healthy fats like nuts, seeds, olive oil, and avocado. Extras like yogurt and hummus. Most of these you can find ready in stores. Step 2. Easy meal ideas. You can prepare salad bowls with salad leaves, tomatoes, cucumber, and grilled chicken. Add olive oil and lemon on top. Grain bowls with avocado, corn, beans, and rice or quinoa. Add salsa for flavor. Overnight oats with oats, milk, honey, and fruits. Keep in the fridge at night. Smoothies with yogurt, berries, and bananas. Blend and drink. Step 3. Prepare in advance. Cut veggies one time for the whole week. Put food into containers. Make simple sauces early. This will save you a lot of time. Let's make a quick meal now. Easy quinoa salad. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked quinoa, half a cup grilled chicken pieces, half a cup roasted veggies, some feta cheese if you like, 1 spoon olive oil, 1 spoon lemon juice, garlic and salt. How to make: put quinoa, chicken, and veggies in a bowl. Include lemon juice and olive oil. Add pepper and salt, mix everything, and you're done. A healthy lunch in just 5 minutes. You can make 3 to 4 of these bowls at one time and keep them in the fridge. Here are some easy tips to stay on track. Plan once a week. Pick a day like Sunday. Buy everything you need. Make a plan. Batch your prep. Cut all veggies at one time. Prepare grains and proteins together. Use leftovers. If you have leftover chicken or veggies, add them to your salads. Make it amusing. Prepare meals while listening to music. It will feel fun, not boring. Get ready with a friend. Ask a friend or family member to join you. You can prep together. Give yourself a reward. After a week of eating healthy, reward yourself. Maybe a coffee, a movie, or a small gift. Preparing meals without cooking is a fantastic idea. It saves time, money, and makes you feel better. You don't have to be perfect. Start small. This week, maybe prepare 1 or 2 meals. Next week, prepare more. Now inform me. Have you ever tried no-cook meal prep? What no-cook meals do you like? Please let me know in the box below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell button for more easy ideas. Let's stay healthy together. See you soon.